Are you ready for your dose of sass? Then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is your monthly dose of sass. You're actually getting a double dose this month because last month's box was delayed and I just recently received it. So the April box came in May, and then this is the May box, also in May. When you see it, I don't know, but I'm filming it in May. With Smartass and Sass, there are 3 subscription levels. There's just the t-shirt, just the goods, and the big box, which has both. I do get the big box, but I did catch a really good sale. It was 50% off, so I did a 6-month subscription. There is a theme, and here is this month's theme. And here is your sneak peek. So this month's marker is silver, and it says Square Up Shimmer. It even tells you to store it upside down. And that is a Smartass and Sass exclusive, and it's a $4.95 value. It's a silver Sharpie. Next is the No necklace. It says no is a complete sentence. Well, it might say a complete something sentence. This is by Foxy Originals, and it's a $30 value. Next is a book by Jen Sincero, the author of You Are a Badass, and it's Badass Habits, Cultivate the Awareness, Boundaries, and Daily Upgrades You Need to Make Them Stick. So that is an $18 value. Next, by Punchkins, you could have gotten one of 3. So you could have gotten this one where it says, I'm fine, everything's fine, and it looks like it's a dumpster on fire. And then this one that says, calm the H down, or the one that I got. I'm right, and these are some special cupcakes that were baked for you. So I'm shut the cupcakes. That's got to go in my office. That is a $17.99 value. Next, we have some middle finger air fresheners in vanilla and honey peach. One says do no harm, and the other says take no. All right, you guys get the idea. It's not that I don't say these words, it's that you can't say these words on YouTube if you want to get monetized at any point ever. So, last we have this cup. Now this is a plastic cup. You know that I prefer the ones that are lined with the aluminum lined ones. So this will probably go to someone else. But it says to have the day you effing deserve. So, nice sentiment. And both of those were Smartass and Sass exclusives. The air fresheners were a $9.95 value, and the cup was a $22.95 value. I think that's kind of high priced considering it's all plastic. And then last is this month's t-shirt. So it says, therapy isn't enough. I need to scream into the void. So that is the May Smartass and Sass. It was a little product light, but higher, what they're calling higher value items. I mean, it wasn't a bad box, but wouldn't also be up there and with my favorites because I don't like plastic cups. They just don't keep the temperature very well. And I don't really like subscription companies giving me books and telling me what I should be reading. I don't know. That's just a personal thing. It may be a perfectly good book. I did get from another subscription box the You Are a Badass book. It sits in my office if a client wants to take it home, read it, whatever. I read a little bit of it, but I don't know. I don't feel like, unless you're getting a book subscription, that books really belong in subscription boxes, because how do you know if this is something I would want to read? You know, but that's a personal feeling. Again, if it was a book subscription box, absolutely, because I'm getting it for a book subscription. But in other ones, I don't know. Tell me how you feel about that. I just don't care for it, but that's a me thing. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.